The topic is continuity. We'll learn about the continuity and how to find the function if it is continuous or not. A function y is equals to f of x is said to be continuous at a point x is equals to a if left hand limit is equals to right hand limit is equals to functional value. Now we'll learn how to find the left hand limit and right hand limit and also the functional value. Left hand limit is denoted by the less than sign. Right hand limit is denoted by more than sign and functional value is denoted by is equal to sign. Since left hand limit is negative, it is denoted by minus sign and right hand limit is positive as it is denoted by plus sign. If left hand limit, right hand limit and functional value are not equal, then it is said to be discontinuous. There are three cases of continuity. Now let's move towards the first case, which is to check whether the function is continuous or discontinuous. Here the question is, a function y is equal to f of x is defined by y is equal to f of x, 2x plus 5 if x is less than 4, 13 if x is equal to 4, and x squared minus 3 if x is more than 4. Is it continuous at x equals to 4? So we have to check whether this function is continuous or not. Here we have to first find out the left hand limit, then right hand limit, and then functional value. So first of all, we have to write the given, which is y equals to f of x is equal to 2x plus 5 if x is less than 4, 13 if x is equal to 4, and x squared minus 3 if x is more than 4. We know that. Now finding the left hand limit. Similarly, finding the right hand limit. And lastly, functional value. Here we can see that left hand limit, right hand limit, and functional value are equal, which is 13. As left hand limit, right hand limit, and functional value are equal, the above function is continuous at x is equals to 4. Now moving towards our second case, we have to find the value of constant in this problem. The question is a function y is equal to f of x is defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus k if x is less than 4, 13 if x is equal to 4, and x squared minus 3 if x is more than 4. If it is continuous at x is equals to 4, find k. So here the function is given continuous and we have to find the value of k. So first of all we'll write the given, which is y is equals to f of x is equal to 2x plus k if x is less than 4, 13 if x is equal to 4, and x squared minus 3 if x is more than 4. Since the above function is continuous at x is equals to 4, then we can write like left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to functional value. Now we have to check the value of each, as left hand limit, which is less than 4, is 2x plus k, and right hand limit, which is more than 4, is x squared minus 3, and functional value is f of 4, which is 13. Now we are taking the first and second ratio to solve the problem, which is 8 plus k and 13. So the value of k is equal to 5. Now moving towards our third case, which is to check whether the function is continuous or not, and if it is not continuous, how can you make it continuous? Here the question is given: a function y is equal to f of x is defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 5 if x is less than 4, then if x is equal to 4, and x squared minus 3 if x is more than 4. Is it continuous at x is equal to 4? If not, how can you make it continuous? First of all, we will write the given y is equal to f of x is equal to 2x plus 5 10 x square minus 3. 2x plus 5 if x is less than 4, 10 if x is equal to 4, and x square minus 3 if x is more than 4. Now we have to check whether the function is continuous or not at x is equals to 4. Now finding the left hand limit. Now again right hand limit. And finally the functional value. From the above result we can see that left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, but right hand limit is not equal to functional value. So the function is discontinuous at x equals to 4. Also the question is asking, if the function is not continuous, how can you make it continuous? So now we can make it continuous by putting the value of x is equal to 4, 13. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to functional value will be the result. So we can write like, to make the above function continuous, the above function should be redefined as now let's ask to a question related continuity. The question given is a function y is equal to f of x is defined by f of x, which is 3 minus 2x if x is equal to 0, more than 0, or less than 3 upon 2 at x is equal to 3 upon 2 minus 3x minus 2 for x is more than 3 upon 2 and equal to 3 upon 2. Is it continuous at x is equals to 3 upon 2? Now we have to find if the function is continuous or not. Since we need 3 points to prove the continuity, here x is equal to 0 is only 2. So we have to cancel this and only find the continuity of 3 upon 2. That is, y is equal to f of x is 3x minus 2 if x is less than 3 upon 2, minus 3x minus 2 if x is equal to 3 upon 2, and minus 3x minus 2 if x is more than 3 upon 2. We know that we have to find out the left hand limit, right hand limit, and functional value to check the continuity of the above function. Similarly, we have the next question to find the points of discontinuities of this function. The given question is 2x upon x square minus x minus 2. Given f of x is equal to 2x upon 2x square minus x minus 2. As we know that the function is discontinuous when denominator is equal to 0. Now let's solve the denominator, which is x square minus x minus 2. Now we have to factorize it and solve the problem. Therefore, the point of discontinuities for the above function are x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. At last, you can see the solved question related continuity.